Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our Ground Broadcast Live Show. This is Sky.
And this is Jenny.
Okay, Jenny, let's introduce our popular item to our customers.
Yes.
First, we will introduce our mosquito coils.
Okay.
Yes.
Those are our mosquito coils. You can see here those different types.
Yes.
Let's show to our customer. We have 4 types, right?
Yes, and we can see this is note A, B, C, D for these mosquitoes. I think it will be a different size or any other different animate. And could you tell us more details?
Okay, so let's show to our customer one to one.
Yeah.
So this is the mosquito repellent liquid. This is mosquito repellent liquid. It is not coil, it's liquid.
Okay, see, this one is just you designed for baby since I'm not the baby.
It's completely non-toxic. So not only baby or some small children or pregnant woman, and you can use it for your home family.
Okay. So for this one, how long we can use it one night?
It's usually for one bottle, it can last for 45 nights. And we have 2 bottles in one box, which means in one box it lasts for 90 nights. And as you know, it's almost the whole summer. So you just need to buy one for your home family for the whole summer. It's very convenient for it.
Yes, it's a very long time to use it.
Yes.
And for this product, we just need use it catch the switch.
Yes, catch the switch on the wall, and just open it so that it can let the room out of the flies. Yeah.
Okay, so we get it, and then this is the mosquito coils.
Yes,
and
mosquito
coil. Is A.
And
this is B. And what's the difference about it?
As you can see here, this is non-smoke mosquito coil, and it's for A because the size is different. This is for
14, I see.
I think it's maybe 30, right? But we do not show on our box. So I can tell our customer that it's the
14.
It's the 130 millimeter, and is for the 140 milliliter, and both of them are. This is the non-smoke mosquito coil, and this is the micro-smoke mosquito coil.
I note it.
Yes.
And I think this is the smaller than this.
Yes, and this is the smaller.
Yeah.
So this is the 140 millimeter, and this is the non-smoke. And for also the non-smoke, this is the 130 millimeter.
Okay. So, and I can see,
those 2 are micro-smoke, right? And the size is different. This is 140 milliliter, and this is 130 milliliter.
Okay, and most customers will use these mosquito coils, and this will think this mosquito coil is black, and they don't like this color, and maybe they like green.
Yes,
or red. Yes, can you spot it?
Yes, of course. If you do not like black or green or red, or if you like the blue, green, just let us know. We can do whatever the color you like. This is called OEM service, and we can support our customer.
Okay. And for these items, we also want to know the production capacity for this one. Yeah.
The production capacity is for 100,000 tons every year.
Okay, so it's bigger numbers, and can you have enough production capacity to support.
Yes. And due to this reason, our delivery time is usually very short, only around 2 weeks.
Okay. So it will be good news for our customers.
Yes.
Delivery in short time.
And we have the 4th type for our customer. This is anti-flies coils.
Anti-flies coils.
Anti-flies coils is aimed this is only aimed for the flies, and for in some reasons they have flies, and some reasons they have other flies. So this is usually for the Asian countries, and some customers from the Asian countries like this product very much.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so
I think it will be very popular in South Africa.
Yes.
Yes. Seeing this, some customers also want to know the quality or test the market for this item. So, can you provide customers free samples?
Yes, of course. The sample is free, but we have our customer to pay for the shipping cost.
Yeah,
so
sure.
you only need to pay for the shipping cost, and you can have the sample.
Okay, so this product can deliver by express company like DHL or FedEx?
Yes, of course. This can be delivered usually by FedEx or DHL, and just let us know your the destination address, so we can arrange for you.
Okay, it's very convenient.
Yes.
Yeah, and the next one is the MOQ. For this one.
For the MOQ, our product is usually one container, and as I mentioned, some customers are not familiar with their market, and they do not know what type of the product they need the most and what size they need the most. So if you want to mix different size and different types in one container, we can also support.
Okay, so I guess we got enough details about these items.
Okay.
And then we will move to the next items.
Okay, the next maybe our washing soap, right?
Yes.
It's our soap. And as you can see here, we have so many different soaps, right?
Yes.
Can you briefly introduce those different soaps?
Okay, this one in our can is the beauty soap. And you can see the green package and the paper. This material is paper, and we also have different package. This is the plastic.
Yes, plastic package.
Yeah, this is hard plastic.
Oh, different package, right?
Yes, we can support. And if you also have other requirement about the package, you just let us know your requirement, and we can support it. Yes. And this soap for beauty, we can use it in handle and body, and your face is enough. Is gentle and not cover your skin.
Okay. So we have soft ingredients in this product.
Yes. And for this one, as you can see, there is colorful
fruit soap, right?
Yes.
Yes, the package is very colorful because we have different fragrance, right?
Yes, like this one is strawberry.
And this one is it's also strawberry, and this one is I think it's apple.
Colorful is is the apple.
Okay. Maybe the smell is also very fresh and fashion, right?
Yes, it's a fruit, just a fruit smell. Yes.
Okay.
And you have to tell your children to don't use it. It's smell fruit.
Okay.
And, yes. And for this one, we have the production capacity also be 100,000 tons. Per year.
Oh, it's a very huge number.
Yes, and as you know, we can see this. Check it. You can see this is a logo claims for this product. If our customers also want to use their own brand, we also can support it. But we will discuss about the model. Yes, we just need change the model for this one, and it's very convenient.
Oh, okay. So if we have customers want to change the fragrance, change the shape, change the package, or change almost everything, we can meet all the requirements of them, right?
Yes, we also support OEM service, and but I want to say the OEM service maybe will affect the delivery time, since we need to discuss with our customers about our package size and need to confirm all details before production. Yes.
But I think our customer will understand this.
Yes, yes. And okay, I guess we have enough details about our soups. If you want to get more details, you can visit our website www.ourbrand.com. Yes.
And below is our hotline. Please don't hesitate to call us and contact us on WhatsApp. And for this product, during the online content fair, we still have special discount for it. If you want to know the discount, please contact our sales service. They will tell you the answers.
Yes.
And please watch the video of those products.